Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a whole kit, 3x2 precision blade wet and dry use shaving kit. So let's go ahead and check out all the pieces and parts that come in this shaving kit. Ooh, nice. Comes with this little card here. It tells you how to prepare the solution and to get everything going for it. It comes with the user manual as well. And then here we are. So here we have, this here is going to give us a cleaning program to clean everything. So this is kind of good professional thing. So if you need it for your, if you have a barber shop or something like that, this will give you the ability to charge it to clean it all in there. So you can put the water in there, and it'll be kind of like an ultrasonic cleaner here with the, with this here. So it'll be a cleaner in there. It says put the shaver into the cleaning center, plus the station's button, and it will start it and clean it. Okay, so that's cool. So this is the cleaning solution, shaver cleaning solution for the cleaner. And then here we have the shaver and whatever we have in this box here. This box is the wires for everything. So we have a charging block with a USB port. We have the USB to USB-C for recharging things, and then another USB-C to USB-C. I guess that's going to be from the chargers there. And we have some clipper oil. So if you have your clippers and you need to oil it, and a brush. So we have all that came in this little box here. So that's cool. And then here is our shaver. So we have that, and now we get to unbox this as well. So this one here is Trimcoo. And I keep putting things down on this box that's on a box. Okay. And so this is the shaver here. That's what came in this box here. And then we open it up, and we have this is the little clip out thing here. You know, if you're doing your sideburns, you have that. And then we have I don't know how many heads you call it. It's like 3 heads plus 2 heads. So it's like a 5-head system. And then it's very flexible and rotates there. And we can take off the head here for easy cleaning. It's got each head rotates individually from there. That is cool. And then we have the power button here. So let's see if I push it. Looks like I hold it on, and then it turns on. So this is at 70 RPM, and it's at 99%. It came charged. Pretty cool. Okay, so we can go and so turning it on and off is that button there. And then do I hold it down to do something? Oh. Holding it down, I'm not sure, turns it off as well. But I guess that's it. So you've got your trimmer, and you've got your, I'm not sure what the flashing is. I have to read the instructions to figure out all the details of it. Where the instructions on here. It just says it has a skin-safe technology, electric foil shaver, newly upgraded 5 blades, easy to clean, LED screen, wet or dry use, and secure travel lock. Oh, I guess that's why I held it down. So then I put it in lock mode, so now it won't go. That's the lock mode. That's what holding it down did. So now it's off lock mode, so now if I'm not traveling, it's just a push button to turn. Oh, well, once I get it going. There. Now it's just an easy push on and off, and then you can put it onto that travel mode if you want to. That's cool. So there we go. So we have the thing here, and wow, I don't know what it's doing here. Oh, I think it's going through the different features of it, so you can change it to the different settings and try it, and then I guess you push the button when you want it where you want. So just different options and things. So really cool. And then when you want to clean it, you'll just be able to put it into there to clean, because it is made to be cleaned. So really cool. Neat little device here. I kind of like it. So nice ultrasonic cleaner and shaving system. So that's really good. So I'm excited to do it. I don't really have much of a beard yet, but as I grow my beard, or as I get stubble and stuff, I'll be able to shave. So super cool. Thumbs up. Very nice.